so you have to go 15 down up to point C. So if you assume this is a point C at a mid span, so you have to go down 15 down. All right. So once you are start the traveling and you have to go 15 down, so I can select this value. All right. So 40 to 15 down, it's a UDL, so it will be a slant line, right? It will be a slant line, and you have to go just up to the 15 down. So 40 minus 15, and so you can say it's a 25 kilonewton, and then after you have to go 10 down, so you can write here also 15 kilonewton. All right. So point due to point load you have to go the 10 down, and then once again from this UDL. UDL on this another side, this one having a magnitude of 5 kilometer and having a span of 3 meters. So you can write the another span is also 3 meter, as the total span is 6 meter. So for this 3 meter, 5 into 3, 15 down. So if you go 15 down, then once again it will become a 0. So overall you can say the shear force diagram, so it will be a positive as it's a totally upper side. And if you draw this moment diagram, now it's time to draw this moment diagram. All right. So you will have maximum bending moment here as a 120 kilonewton into meter, and it's a hogging, so it's upside. And at point C, you will have a moment as a 22.5. So you can draw it here from here. So 120 and 22.5. So this is a point load application. So your first moment is here like this, and second moment is like this. Right. So it's not a continuous parabola. Due to point load, it is just little bit of deflection, as in a shape you can see properly. All right. So this is the moment diagram, and overall sign convention is a negative. Right. So it's a 22.5 kilonewton into meter. So this is a shear force and bending moment diagram of cantilever beam subjected to UDL as well as point load. And in the last case, this last example of this cantilever beam, so I'm going to solve this cantilever beam subjected to uniformly varying load. All right. So this is a beam, and which one is subjected to uniformly varying load on its total entire span, and having a magnitude of at this end. All right. At the another end, the magnitude is a 10 kilonewton per meter. All right. The maximum one. And here it's a 0, so it is a point B and it is a point A. All right. And the span is, you can say, is a 5 meter. Fine. So you can say first of all, the VA is it's a triangle, as I told you. It's a UVL, uniformly varied load, is a triangle. So you can say 1/2 height into base, as I told you. So 1/2 height into base, the total load. Height is a 10 kilonewton meter and base is a 5 meter. So 1/2 10 into 5 is a 25 kilonewton. It's your support reaction. All right. And moment at A. So first of all, you have to draw the simplified format of this given cantilever beam. So to draw it, let me help you to draw this. It's a cantilever beam, and this total load, as we calculate, is a 25 kilonewton. But we know that it's a triangle, so it is applied at its CG, and its CG is available here. So you can say it's a 25 kilonewton total load, and it's acting at the distance. So it's, you can say it's a 2/3, and you can say it's a it's a 1/3, and you can say it's a 2/3 on the right hand side. So 1/3, so you can say it's a 5/3, and you can say it's a 2 into 5/3. Correct. So this is a distance distribution around its CG. So the moment at A due to this UVL, so you can say it's a 25 into distance is a 5/3. So you can take a calculation of 25 into 5, it's a 125/3 kilonewton into meter. There is a total moment from right hand side. So right hand side is a clockwise, so you will get exactly opposite reaction, moment reaction, as it is fixed end. Right. So moment reaction is here, and it's having always the same value. So in a exactly opposite direction, so 125/3, you can say in an anti-clockwise direction. So overall moment is a hogging. Okay. So moment at A, that you will get as a hogging. So you can draw this bending moment diagram, and bending moment diagram you can draw. So at the moment A, you will have moment as a 125/3, kilonewton into meter, and so hugging, so it is a upside. And here the moment will become a 0 at the point of B. So it's a it is a case of UVL, so it's a cubic parabola, so the moment diagram will be look like this rather than parabola, correct? So this moment diagram you will say cubic parabola, and this moment diagram is a hogging, so it's a negative sign, and it will become at a B point at the moment is a 0, correct? And if you draw the shear force diagram, the shear force diagram of a uniformly varying load, so you are already aware about for the uniformly varying load, it's a parabola. So what is the support reaction? Support reaction you will get as a 25 kilonewton. So from point A you have to go 25 kilonewton up, and then after you have to join up to the B point, 0 value with a parabola line, all right, and it's a total positive value, so it's your shear force diagram. So I am going to end up this entire topic of shear force and bending moment diagram of the cantilever beam subjected to UVL, UDL, or point load, or the combination of load. It is a very simple calculation. I hope you guys can do it and justify these examples very well. So if you have any doubt regarding the any kind of this calculation or any type of example, you can contact me after watching this video.